Hello everyone, let's talk about confidence today. Confidence is a word you probably hear a lot. What does it mean? Confidence means believing in yourself and your abilities. When you are confident, you recognize the things you are good at and you're always happy and positive about trying new things without any fear. Having good self-esteem is a big part of being confident. Good self-esteem means you feel positive about yourself and you accept yourself the way you are. But in reality, sometimes it becomes very hard to feel confident and positive about ourselves. This is because we usually compare ourselves with the people around us and try to imitate them. But the thing is that we are unique beings. We cannot be exactly like anyone else. Even two identical twins are not same. They have unique capabilities. So instead of focusing on what other people are doing, why not figure out what we can do and what we are good at? In this way, we should only focus on ourselves and try to be self-version of ourselves. There may have been a time in our life when we have tried something new, like a sport or a math problem or dance or any game, anything else, and we could not perform as well as we had expected. So, in such situations, we should not let negative thoughts like I cannot do this, this was not meant for me. We should not let these negative thoughts overcome our emotions. But instead, we should bear one thing in mind, that things take time and we have to be patient. You have to be soft with yourself and remind yourself of the capabilities you have and the things you have achieved in the past. At such situations, try to think about your achievements in the past and prepare yourself to try again. And before starting something new, we should always bear in mind that our first attempt most probably won't be a success. You will have to try again because nobody can be perfect in first attempt. Everyone experiences different levels of self-confidence. But did you ever think that you can train your mind to be confident? Yes, we can train our mind. One way to do this is to think of self-confidence like a muscle. Similarly, as we have to work on our muscle every day to make it stronger, in case of self-confidence, you have to work on it regularly. By following few tips, we can boost our self-confidence. And what are these 3 tips? Yes, there can be many tips, but according to me, there are mainly 3 main tips. The first thing is that we should reevaluate our goals. Maybe we have set a very high and unrealistic goals for ourselves. If you are overwhelmed with so much expectations from yourself, so it is the right time for you to have peace in mind and sit down and try to bifurcate your larger goal into smaller ones, because it is always easier to achieve smaller goals. You will take some small leaps and then bigger leaps. In this way you can get what you want. And secondly, never give up. We should not conclude our destiny just in one attempt. If in the past people who failed at their first attempt would have given up, then we would have deprived of the things we are enjoying now. We would not have been enjoying internet, mobile. This is only due to tireless efforts of some extraordinary people. The list is very long. I need not mention who the people were. They tried again and again, only then they concluded something, and now we are enjoying their successes. We are living in the age of technology and internet, so you should also not give up and try, because it is not always about winning. It is a cycle of trying until you get what you want. And the third thing is that try to turn down the volume of some people who demotivate you and demoralize you in your attempt. Now it is your responsibility to recognize such people who demotivate you, and you should be in the company of people who support you, who are with you in your trying times, and who will cheer up you, not only in your victory but also in your defeat, because failure is also a step towards success. So never ever give up, and be positive about trying everything new, and slowly and steadily you will be confident. Thank you.